Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever forgotten your Gmail password and wondered how to see it inside Google Chrome, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you through the official built-in way to reveal your saved Gmail password using Chrome's password manager. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a couple of key security tips that you don't want to miss. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. From here, select Settings. On the Settings page, look over to the left sidebar and click on Autofill. Under Autofill, choose Passwords or Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome safely stores all the usernames and passwords you've allowed it to remember. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find your Gmail account. Once you locate it, you'll see an entry with your Gmail email address and a row of dots where the password is hidden. To reveal it, simply click the little eye icon next to the hidden password. At this point, Chrome will ask you to confirm your computer password or PIN. This is a security step to make sure only you can access it. Enter your computer password, and just like that, your Gmail password will appear in plain text on the screen. Remember, while Chrome makes it easy to access saved passwords, it's crucial to keep them safe. Don't share them with anyone and avoid leaving them visible for others to see. Also, consider updating your Gmail password regularly to keep your account extra secure. And that's it. That's the full step-by-step guide to showing your Gmail password in Google Chrome in 2025. Super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and check the description for more useful tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.